my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Ready?
All right, guys, today is startup day. Hopefully everything we got, it's going to be in order. We're just going to go over a couple things, make sure we got fluid, we got power, all the sensors are connected, all that good stuff. Maybe do a checklist to double check everything, make sure we're going to be in the clear. We are going to get fuel today. We got the radiator fluid. Drivetrain has already been filled up. It's been a while. It's before I even started doing this whole video stuff. So today we're just going to hope that everything goes good, and we're going to go for that startup. So let's see how she acts and how she responds.
Okay. Yeah.
About the way, or?
Yeah.
Jesus. All right, we're getting closer. We went ahead and tied everything up. Got all the clamps in, tightened, sensors are plugged in. A couple little minor adjustments, and she should be good to go. We're just about to install the top radiator hose, add some fluid, and then get the laptop out, check all the sensors, get that cast set up as close as possible, and then go from there. Tight already?
Telling you.
Tighten this up. We're finally back. Someone decided to take 2 hours just to go get some hoses. And then another hour to go get a laptop. So we have a phone here. Let's use my freaking skills. What's up, big dog? Yeah, I'm a little occupied here, but you know, mentally I got you. Freaking acid.
Oh, we use brake cleaner and clean off everything on the car.
Like what? There you go. Let me get you already, bro. Come on. There it is. Do the same thing. Well, I know what I did is good. Close my eyes. This fool just spill it all over the ground. Horrible fucking aim. Spill it all over my shoes and shit. Yeah, go for it. All right.
We don't gotta move the line.
Loose?
You got oil in it? Let me check it real quick.
This fool said, ooh. So it licked it all out. Do you have a fire extinguisher?
That's what I'm saying right now.
Right there.
Make sure to click it under the car when it turns on. But it's fine.
All right, start it. Hold on. All right, go for it.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold up.
Pressure?
This is still building it.
Yeah, the timing already grounded?
No. Is the camera sensor plugged in? The white cable?
You don't have the spark plug tool to show you if you have spark or not?
Well, this is a 1G camera sensor, so it should have both.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Does it tell you, Mark, that they're off, or you just...
Ready?
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh, shit. Turn on injectors on or not yet?
Go for it. It sounds like it's misfiring crazy, huh?
Ready?
Yeah. When they're discolored? Yeah. Oh, okay. So they were off the whole time? Oh, they were on? So whatever other settings you did, probably. Hey, what's the timing at? No, when it's on. What is it at?
Where's that? 13.
All right, tell him to tell you when it's at 5. I'm gonna adjust it while it's
When
on.
it's on, let me know when it's
Tell him to ground it out too.
To ground it out, and then let me know when it's 5.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5.
Right there. Is it moving?
I know what, I think it'll stay at 5 when he has that thing on, the diagnostic thing. And then you can turn it, and then when it hits 5 on your side.
Yep. What about there?
What about there? 4.
4?
Jump back up.
Give me the 12.
Close it.
Yeah. Try it there.
Try right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cams are too big.
What's up, bro? Good.
¿Qué hubo, carnal? ¿Cómo estamos?
Estamos aquí nomás.
Cool, cool, cool. Nope, clockwise. Right there.
Right there?
Yep. Yeah, right there. Simulating?
It won't because this Wi-Fi don't work.
Oh, yeah. You got something leaking over there too, dude, on this side. Yeah.
Cool.
I don't know, it's on the ground, it's a big puddle. And then the drain too on the radiators is also leaking. We set the base pressure while I'm at it. It's at 60.
Huh?
Good? Put that where that goes. Well, guys.
So I can get on Snap?
Huh?
Am I revving it so I can get on Snap?
Yeah. Let me do my
Oh,
intro. Yeah, I just fucking ruined it. All right, you guys seen it. You guys witnessed it. Fired up. We had some complications, but nothing we couldn't figure it out. It took a while. It's been a while since we really worked on it, a DSM like this. I know when I got mine going, started, it was about a year and a half ago that I actually started, so everything was coming back together. A couple leaks here and there that we found, we went ahead and tightened up. We got one more leak to deal with, and that's on the return off this here. We're gonna go ahead and just tighten it. If it's still a leak, replace the O-ring and go from there. But anyways, guys, we did it, got it going. She's running. She sounds really, really healthy. The next step is double check, triple check, and last minute adjustments. Kind of mess with link a little bit, get the bumper and all that stuff going on so we can go ahead and go for a test drive so we can get some vacuum in it and set those rings, begin the break-in. Not really sure on how many miles he's gonna go for the break-in, but we're gonna go ahead and try to at least get 500 miles, switch the oil out from there, and then, you know, maybe talk about tuning. All right, what else we have left would be bleed all the brakes, bleed the clutch. From there, hopefully get a test drive here. We're all done, sounds really good like I said, so on to the next one, here we go. All right, bonus clip. Oh, she sounds mean. She sounds mean. She has a lot of anger built up. She has an appetite and she wants to eat. This engine was built in 2017. Sometimes better late than never, I guess. Here we go.